G'day humans, Chris Stead from Finder here. Got a bit of a first look for you. This is of the new Asus Zenbook 17-inch Fold. Now as you can see right there, that is it folding. And I was at an event in Sydney on August 30 where Asus was showing off its whole OLED lineup for the year. And I got to spend some time, that's my hand you can see there, fiddling around with this thing and just checking it out. As you can see, it closes down pretty well, just with one hand worth of pressure. But I can tell you right now, it's not flimsy at all. It's really quite robust in the way it feels. And as you can see, once it comes on, you can't even really see the fold mark. Now, when I didn't even really, so it keeps turning itself off there. I apologise for that. I was very quick to go to the black screen, and I didn't know where the power button was at first. So as you can see, you can barely even see the fold there when you're looking straight on. It's only when you're looking from the side that you really notice it. Now they told me at the time that it could do, they've tested, well they're saying in their briefing notes that it'll be 30,000 open and closes you'll be able to get with it. But when I was speaking to the bloke there from Asus, he was telling me that they've got one actually at the factory or back at Asus, which has done 50,000, is still going strong without any sort of marks on it. Now, what you do is you put this keyboard here which comes with it, and you just place the keyboard on top of that screen and it instantly changes from a 17.3 inch to a 12.5 inch. See, look at that, just pops automatically straight to a little laptop, which I thought was really impressive and cool and smart design. So this is obviously pretty future tech, right? So we're not really at a place yet where these are going to be affordable for the general public, this kind of multi-purpose flexible device. I'm just trying to show the ports here, but the lighting wasn't really working there. So you've got USB-C, you've got two Thunderbolt ports on this and a mic port as well. And you can see kind of an idea for the thickness there as well. So it's only 1.5 kilos, the actual tablet, when you're holding it out and looking at it itself. However, once you move to putting the keyboard in, that weight doubles. All right, here's a little bit more footage from my mate who was helping out with the demo here from Asus. Just kind of talking to a few people through how it works. Now you can also see behind the laptop there the case that also comes with the Fold. So it's all ready to kind of go in that respect, which is great. And you can probably see even through my phone just how beautiful that OLED screen is. Now I've got an article up on the finder.com.au website which has all the details about the specs, the price, which I was told at the event was $699 here in Australia, although that was still waiting to be officially confirmed, but this is what I was told during this demo. And a lot more information about my hands-on experience there, but I just wanted to give you guys an early first glimpse about the device in action. As you can see, or hopefully as you can see, it's really smartly designed. And really sturdily built. Like, it's got a really high quality bar feel about it. There's nothing flimsy about it at all. There's a kickstand on the back that holds it up either in portrait or in landscape mode. And you can see those little bumps there on the case as well. That just kind of gives you a bit of support when you're typing. Kind of just raises the keyboard slightly as you go. So anyway, that's kind of my first initial impressions, having just kind of mucked around with the device for an hour or so at this event in Sydney. I love the tech, I love the idea, I love the big beautiful screen, and I can imagine this perfect world where I'm watching a movie or something like that in a full tablet mode, or even mucking around with the touchscreen, doing stuff with Adobe products like Photoshop, for example, and having this great time, and then going, all right, now it's time to do some work, and just flipping it so organically straight to a laptop experience. But at that price, far out, you know, it's really hard to justify the kind of expense, regardless of how cool the gimmick is. But credit to LG for at least giving it credit to Asus for giving it a crack and actually getting to market with something like this, which may in a number of years from now seem like a very affordable and simple concept, but at the moment is really rare and tough to come and find. So anyway, I'm Chris Stead from Finder. Thank you very much for watching, and look out on the website for a full review.